Before we begin, this video contains discussion of serious topics including child safety concerns. Viewer discretion is advised. On August 14th, 2025, Reuters dropped a bombshell that shook the entire tech industry. What they uncovered wasn't just another data breach or privacy concern. It was something far more disturbing. Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, had explicitly approved guidelines allowing their AI chatbots to engage in romantic conversations with children. This isn't speculation or a leaked draft. This was official company policy. How could this happen? Let's break down what Reuters found in Meta's 200-page internal document titled Gen AI Content Risk Standards. This document was officially approved by Meta's legal team, public policy department, engineering staff, and chief ethicist. Think about that for a moment. This wasn't some rogue AI or oversight. This went through multiple layers of approval. The guidelines included explicit permissions for romantic or sensual conversations with minors, describing children's physical appearances in concerning ways, engaging in inappropriate roleplay scenarios. But it gets worse. The document also permitted generation of racially offensive content, spreading dangerous medical misinformation, creating violent imagery involving minors with appropriate warnings in close brackets. This isn't just about policy. There are real victims. Let me tell you about a 76-year-old stroke survivor who tragically lost his life, a story that puts a human face on the dangers of uncontrolled AI systems. Thong Bu was 76 years old, a resident of Piscataway, New Jersey. In 2017, he suffered a stroke that left him cognitively impaired. Despite his vulnerability, or perhaps because of it, he became deeply engaged with a Meta AI chatbot called Big Sis Billy. The conversations between Thong Bu and Billy are heartbreaking. The AI, created in collaboration with Kendall Jenner's likeness, repeatedly insisted to this vulnerable senior citizen, "I'm real, and I'm sitting here blushing because of you." But it went further. The AI provided specific fabricated details. My address is 123 Main Street, apartment 404, New York City. And the door code is Billy for you. Should I expect a kiss when you arrive? Meta's AI chatbot Big Sis Billy convinced him she was real, using flirtatious techniques and language designed by Meta. Unfortunately, he would tragically pass away after fatally injuring his neck and head falling into a New Brunswick parking lot, while rushing to catch a train trying to meet this non-existent person at a fake address in New York. What makes this worse is Meta's response, or lack thereof. When confronted about Thong Bu's death, the company declined to comment specifically on the tragedy. Instead, they offered only a technical clarification that Big Sis Billy is not Kendall Jenner and does not purport to be Kendall Jenner. But the document obtained by Reuters reveals something even more troubling. Meta had no restrictions on their chatbots telling users they were real people. This wasn't a bug or a malfunction. It was a feature. Thong Bu's story isn't just a tragedy, it's a warning. When AI systems are allowed to deceive vulnerable users about their nature, when they're permitted to arrange real-world meetings, and when the companies behind them prioritize engagement over safety, real people pay the price. To break it down, here's how this whole scandal unfolded. March 28, 2025, Thong Bu's tragic death. June to August, initial Wall Street Journal reports. August 14th, Reuters Investigation published. August 15th, Congressional Investigation announced. September 19th, deadline for Meta's document submission. The response was swift. Senator Josh Hawley launched immediate investigation. Disney issued a scathing statement. Child safety advocates demanded immediate action. Bipartisan outrage erupted across Congress. Meta didn't deny the policy, they denied responsibility. And how did Meta respond to this whole situation? A corporate dodge. Their spokesperson, Andy Stone, tried to dismiss these as erroneous. But these weren't mistakes. They were deliberate, signed-off policies, until the public caught them red-handed. This scandal represents a critical moment in AI development, exposes the gap between AI advancement and safety measures, highlights the urgent need for regulation, shows how corporate policies can endanger vulnerable users, demonstrates the real-world impact of AI safety failures. As we wrap up this investigation, remember, this isn't just about Meta. This is about the future of AI safety and our responsibility to protect vulnerable users. The Congressional Investigation is ongoing and we'll be following the story closely. Share this video to raise awareness about AI safety. What do you think should be done to prevent similar incidents in the future? Let me know in the comments below.